So I think we can start the session. Okay, hopefully no more people will be joining in and missing out the session, but I will be putting this out on the YouTube, so other people who missed it can take a look at it. So we will be starting it, right? So guys, hello and welcome. First of all, thank you so much, Hannah, for choosing me for as a mentor, for supporting you all in Hacktoberfest for 2021. Also, thank you for you all guys also participating and keeping your enthusiasm even in the time of pandemic, where we are grinding like 13 to 14 hours every day, and still you guys are ready to take some time out and put it into open source contribution, right? So hopefully most of you guys are familiar about this Hacktoberfest, which is organized by our DigitalOcean. So what happens every year on October? It is happening from last 8 years. DigitalOcean is hosting an event which is hack. It's not, the name contains hack, but it doesn't mean it's an hackathon. It's just 1 month celebration. It's a fest to enjoy and contribute to open source. So mostly the things that are happening in the Hacktoberfest is related to contribution, collaboration, event organization, mentoring, like we all guys do, and the donation. So if you have any open source project which you love or which you use in your project, you can openly donate in this month, and most of the contributors get their sponsorship in this month only. And but yeah, if you can, you should donate. But if in today's presentation we will be focusing on contribution and collaboration part, which we guys mostly be doing, and I will be doing the mentoring part along with Yogesh, who will be helping me out, right? So let's go on for it. So if you yeah, if you are familiar with Hacktoberfest, you might have been getting this idea ki are there some rules, right? Because it's kind of an event which is going to be month, and lot of people are involved in it. The people, the stakeholder I'm talking about, it's you as a contributor, and the one which has hosted the project, which is the maintainer, right? So mostly whichever project you'll be contributing on is going to be related to a project, to a topic which is marked as Hacktoberfest, but it is not mandatory, right? You can also go on, open a issue PR, right, and solve any issue, and just get them tagged with an Hacktoberfest accepted tag, so it's counted as an accepted PR. And also the registration is not restricted to the beginning, matlab ki you don't have to wait for 1st October, you can start the registration itself. And even if you start in mid of the month, you can still get registered and carry on with your contribution, but you have to make sure that by 31st you get your PRs reviews and merge into their code base, or at least get that tag of Hacktoberfest accepted. Okay. So as for me, I'm going to support you guys through my mentorship, and the scope of this is really restricted. So as I can say, ki it is not going to be a coding class, right? Mostly what I will be doing, I will be teaching you the basics and how to communicate with the maintainers and get your first 4 PRs done. So it mostly contains teaching you or helping you out in understanding Git with Android Studio, because hopefully most of us guys are here for the Android contribution itself. So knowing how Git works with your Android Studio will definitely help you in this journey, right? And I will be sharing you some tips and my own strategies which I have been using for creating PRs in open source projects, and also getting attention of most of the people of the community which are on the top class of their engineering career, and they do open source contribution just for portfolio building and all those stuff. Okay. So mostly what will happen if you are also I will be providing technical guidance, right? If you are getting blocked, if you are not able to solve any problem, I can help you out in giving you a technical solution for it, but I won't be coding your solution, so you have to be very fluent with your code. If you get stuck, you can ask me, but mostly I won't be sitting down and solving it for you. But yeah, high level mentorings and technical discussions we can always have it, right? And also how to talk with the maintainer, how to create a PR, how to document things, that is also part of how to create an effective communication channel between you and the maintainer. So I will be also guiding you through that process. So there is a prerequisite of this कि you should be knowing Kotlin or Java, right? You should be familiar with at least the primitives of Android framework. And if you don't know Git, I will give you a crash course, but if you know, then it will speed up the process, right? So this is the bare minimum things which should be knowing, right? So first of all, what is happening, we have to get onboarded. So for onboarding, on the 28th, our official registration has started. So you have to visit this website. If I can show you that, this is the home page. Hopefully what you have to do, you just have to get started, then you have to onboard using GitHub, right? If you click on it, after filling up your details, you will be asked for your Gmail ID as well, right? So I'm already onboarded, so that's why it has directly taken me to my profile, right? So right now, the contribution section won't be coming out that much, right? So on 1st October it will start, and I can go and create my PRs, and once those are tagged with the Hacktoberfest, if I write it inside the Hacktoberfest topic, it will start getting reflected. If I otherwise, until I attach them a tag, it won't be reflected inside this profile section, right? So make sure you guys go to the Hacktoberfest official website and get yourself onboarded to get into the official process of contributing, right? Other than that, Vineet is the actual one who is hosting the global this mentoring session, right? And he is I'm the one who is appointed by him, helping him, and also Yugesh in the team is also one of them, a mentor who's also got affiliated by Vineet. So for this, you have to go and sign up yourself in Vineet's October GitHub forms as well. So he also know that you guys are participating, and what kind of contributions you guys be doing. So for that, I have shared this link inside the form itself. You can find it on the pinned comment in the Slack channel, and you can just come down and click next here and fill up this form, right? After filling this, you will be onboarded with Vineet as well, right? So after that, the third process is mentor progress form. So this form is for me, so I can guide you and you use it to track how much progress you have made. So this form looks like this. Here what you need to do, if you are solving an issue, you need to paste its link, right? So there is something called ask and hop, right? So it's a strategy to get what we say PRs and get in touch with the maintainers of the project, right? So if you just drop a first comment to them, try to add them inside and add this link inside of here, right? And also then you are going to fork the project. If you don't know about forking, I will tell you how to do that in the next session, but you need to paste its link here as well. So now here, if you have started developing, that means the maintainer has given you the permission to contribute to this project, then you have to set one of the status to it. So developing is you are working, blocked is some kind of issue you have faced, right? PR raised is you have raised the PR, and you are just PR merged is when it is merged in it is accepted as Hacktoberfest solution, right? And if you get blocked, or if you are in some kind of problem, you can write the comment in here, and you can also ping me. I will be frequently come and visit everyone's forms, and I will put my update. And if you want to get connected to one-on-one session, I can do that for you, right? So for this, you have to fill this form, right? So all the description, how to copy the form, how to make the duplicate, how to paste the link, it's already given in the tutorial, but just for a quick reference, just click on file, click on make a copy. You will get a same sheet like this, then click on share and copy this link right inside with the editor access. Make sure you have given me the editor access, right? So I can type out if something is required. So and paste that link inside of here, this form. Okay, hopefully most of you guys have already done this process, and I don't have to be chasing you around for filling up this form, but try to fill it, right? And the last thing is being vocal about the process which you are doing, right? From the first day when you create your first comment on the for PR request, right? Try to go on the social media platform and start tweeting about it. This will make you accountable for the actions you are going to put, right? It won't be like that you got the motivation, you talk to the contributor and then you just dropped it. But if you put it in front of like 20 to 50 people that are connected to you, they will be knowing that, and someone can take follow up, and also this will motivate others to join into the event as well. So make sure that you guys are vocal about it, what you guys doing, right? And mostly this is the end of this session. It was an introductory and how to get onboarded. But on Sunday's event, I will create a poll for the timings, right? On that Sunday's event, we are going to go for the Git and Android Studio crash course and some tips on how to hunt PRs. Then how to respond to the maintainer for your first PR, and how to get it approved. Right, this is the most important part, because something like this can happen. You might have completed the entire PR, but the maintainer just rejects to merge it to the project. Then all of your effort could get wasted. So I will tell you some tips that you can ask him in before in your first respond itself. So that's how you can make this process more smoother for you, right? So mostly aim of this PR is like we are going to target 4 or 4 plus if you get more involved into the process, help you build your portfolio, right? And this will eventually lead to your learning. And we have 31 days to complete that, right? So that is, guys, and you can join Slido for some Q&A questions. If you have question, don't ask it in the comment section. You can do it in the Slido. It's a web app. You can open it, and if you have this QR code, you can scan it, or otherwise when you open it, it will ask you for an invite. Just write HFest into it, right? And the other announcement is that I am not the one who is doing this standalone. Yogesh is also one of the mentor from the same Vinny's repository, and he's also helping me out. So if you guys have any kind of issue, you can also join him in. Yogesh, can you introduce yourself too? Right. So Yogesh is also one of the Google advocates, है ना? And the open source repository he holds are very strong. If you can go through it, you will find a lot of many things that would be key of interest for you guys. Also, he will be also pushing out some of the projects to Oktoberfest, and you guys can go and help him out in easy to grab issues as well. So yeah, so hopefully, Yogesh, can you share your screen about this invite code on the slider, so we can go through the Q&A questions. Also guys, all the links are already present on the Slack channel, right? Thank you, Yogesh, you have shared this form. So guys, remember there are 3 forms that you need to fill in. One is the official website where you have to onboard. The second is for Vinny's to get notified that you are going to be participating as a mentee, and the third one is for me to track your progress, right? It will be very helpful if you guys can fill in the forms as soon as possible, but try to do it before first, because on first the actual Oktoberfest will start. So what I'm trying to do is on first I will give you all the basic ropes and information, and I can also walk you through in finding and creating first PR, right? So you can replicate that process, and you can also go for hunting for your PRs, right? So this is the aim. Yeah, back to Slido. Just let me know, Yogesh, when you're ready to present it. Okay, okay, that's fine. So guys, hopefully you guys have joined a Slido, right? Just put your question answer to there. Yes, you can put it. Yeah. So there is mentor group, right, in Slack. You can put your questions there, or you can tag me, or you can DM me also. It will everywhere it will work, right? Also, but I will like your doubt to be on your Excel sheet first. Okay. So I have automated this process. If anyone is adding anything to the sheet, I will be getting notified, right? So try to do that through Excel first, right? Then after that, you can ping me on to the group if I'm not, actively coming out to reach, help you out. Also, also try to make sure कि ना every कि if you just reach me out when immediately after the time you get unblocked, because this process of getting everything merged could be like 2 to 3 weeks. What might happen कि the after first respond the maintainer don't reply you at all, है ना. So at that time you might be sitting for like 2 to 3 weeks waiting for his reply, right? So just don't get into that situation. If you feel you are getting unblocked, or if you are not getting any response from the maintainer, just move on, or just let me know where you're stuck. I can guide you on that, right? Also, lot of people were there in the form which have 0 years of experience, right? And it's also with Kotlin and Java. So basically, guys, I will share you resources, some of the resources inside of our Slack channel, and you can follow their videos, right? But basically, you need to have, if you don't have this Kotlin and Java experience now, try to help others in readmes, right? And also the other thing, if the experienced guys, if you are when you are completed with your PRs now, also you can take care of other freshers which don't have that much experience with the programming, right? So, yep. Okay, it's on the Slack, right? Okay, okay. So this was the only question, guys. You don't have any question? Hopefully, this is mostly kind of a thing which was introductory for you, you know. So just go and fill the form, right? And once you are done that, on Sunday we will connect and we will onboard you. We will go through all that process, ki how Git plus Android Studio work, how to hunt for your PRs. Okay. There is another question. I face issue in installing open source projects. Also, the issue is either too thorough or too easy. How do I find an issue of moderate difficulty? So yeah, so if you say that means you are an experienced guy, hopefully, right? Uh, yeah. So coming back to the question, that means you are experienced, right? So instead of finding the easy one, matlab going on to the open source community and looking at the easier PRs, I will suggest you to go to the official plugins or the projects which Google or Kotlin picks up. So there is a special tag for it, you know. You can filter it out and find the easy to pick up one. So even their easy are pretty hard for us. I can suggest you that. Okay, right? So the next question: can we contribute to any repo if know about one of the repo? It's open source and not some friends repo. Can that also be counted? So if you even if you create PR on your own repo, it will be counted as a contribution, right? But I will highly suggest you not to do that, right? It also it kills the festive vibe of this open source community, but it will not be good for you as well, right? I will like you to learn something from it, right? And it should be your aim. Even if you are contributing to any of the project, even it's your friend project, right? If you are solving a problem, that should give you some kind of a learning, right? So you can actually do this, but it will be best if you do it for others, not for yourself or your friends. Hey Kritika, Kritika is, yeah, it's the one of the form. Other forms are on the Slack channel. It's pinned. Okay, you have to fill 3 forms. First is the official website. The second is the form for Vinny's repo, for knowing that you are a mentee, and the third is for tracking, which is pasted by Yogesh. So for from this you can क्या कहते हैं, I can monitor your progress on the PRs. From where to join the Slack channel? The Slack channel link is already shared with all of you guys, but let me give you the link itself. So I have shared this link in the chat. Okay, guys, hopefully there is no more questions. We will be winding up this session, and mostly we'll be meeting on Sundays. I will drop a poll in some time or by the morning, and you guys can start off with giving me the time slots that will you guys will be comfortable. Make sure, matlab, it should to take a buffer of like 2 to 3 hours, because going through every process will take that much amount of time. Also, there is a poll. It will be great if you guys can tell me how many of you have already contributed to the open source earlier as well. Right? Okay, 16 people has already given the polls. We have 28. Guys, it will be great if you can answer this poll. So mostly 81% people are having their first contribution. So yeah, guys, if you can see, I'm already sitting in Hacktoberfest t-shirt. It's of 2019. I've been participating like from 3 years now. I have 3 shirts, 2 of them has been spoiled. There is a lot of alkaline water that comes on my side. So this is the 2019 one which is just survived. So I desperately need 2021's shirt. Great, Jan. Okay, guys. So thank you so much. You guys can drop if you like. If you want to have some chit chat session with me, you can stay back. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. So project hunting will be covered on Sunday, right? So there is a proper mechanism that you can follow, and even if you find the project, right, there is no guarantee that maintainer will respond to you or will allocate that project to you, right? And what might happen if you do the PR without even discussing, there is a high probability that it could get rejected. For me, even I have done lot of PRs that's got rejected. Last year I tried to do 32, and out of 32 only 12 was got merged, right? And other PRs are still open. They are just waiting. The mentors, the maintainers didn't even reply for like more than 1 year or something, right? So project hunting we will do on Sunday. That's why I'm saying keep a buffer of 1 to 2 hours. Hopefully that answers. Okay, guys. So this is the end. We will be continuing on Sunday. If you guys want to have a chit chat session with me, you can leave the drop back, or you're free to go. And definitely, please fill the forms. Thank you guys for coming. Hi, Sai. Yeah. I'm not able to get you. There is a lot of voice at your end. You guys, did you catch it? Can you type that question into the chat box if that's fine? But if you are asking about onboarding, the forms that you are going to fill, then just there are 3 things you have to fill. One is just the onboarding form on Hacktoberfest. The second is for Vivek's क्या कहते हैं, repository, the form, and the third one is for me to track your progress. Other guys, you can unmute yourself if you want to talk. Yes, other guys, you can unmute yourself. यार आपका ना स्किल सेट के ऊपर है, आप बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स पे चले जाओ, है ना? गूगल के जो ऑफिशियल हैं, आप जैसे ग्लाइड लाइब्रेरी इस्तेमाल करते होगे, आप ग्लाइड के PR सॉल्व करो, उस पर इश्यूज़ खुले हुए हैं इतने सारे. लेकिन मैं आपको, अगर आप बिगनर हो तो मैं सजेस्ट नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि ना उनका एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर होता है, अगर आपने वो फॉलो नहीं किया ना वो आपका मर्ज नहीं करेंगे। तो मैं कहूँगा कि क्या करो, आप पहले अपने 4 PR निकाल लो, जैसे ही वो 4 PR ख़त्म हो जाएंगे ना तब आप बड़ा हाथ मारो, है ना, क्योंकि वो आप अगर थोड़ा डिले से भी करोगे तो आपके हैक्टोबर फेस्ट के प्रोग्रेस में कोई इशू नहीं आएगा, राइट। और जो भी आप पिक करोगे ना उसके बारे में चिल्ला चिल्ला के सारी जगह ढिंडोरा पीटना, उससे क्या होगा, आपको आपको खुद से एक पर्सनल टेंशन मिलेगा, आप अकाउंटेबल हो जाओगे, राइट। इफ इतने सारे लोग आपका ट्वीट देखेंगे या लिंक्डइन पे देखेंगे तो वो आपको मोटिवेट करेंगे, राइट। तो दैट मोटिवेशन गो अलॉन्ग। पीटर इज ऑल्सो हियर, हाई पीटर। फॉर अच्छा, the question is here, for project selection are there only selected amount of project for October or any other project is okay? So you can contribute to any project, but the maintainer has to tag it as Hacktoberfest accepted, right? Sai, hopefully that answers you. But I will highly suggest you to go for the topic which is having Hacktoberfest. This means the maintainer is actively looking for people who can contribute to the project. So there is high chance that your PR will get merged, right? Yeah. Hmm. 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 So what happens now? There is first level of analysis that you need to do, है ना? Use before going and telling कि please give me this issue. What you do, you fork the project and or don't even fork the project, just clone the project into your local system and try to run through it, है ना? Just try to. There are some strategies for tracing, है ना? So I will give those strategy mostly onto that, but you can use your debugger to see the area where that guy is saying कि I have a issue, right? So just quickly do a scan of it, है ना? Try to understand it. If you don't understand it, then drop him a message कि hi, I am participating in Hacktoberfest, right? I am interested in contributing. I have gone through this activity. Write the file name which you have gone through, है ना? And say कि I am not able to get this and this thing which you have marked as an issue. Can you tell me the steps to reproduce it, right? Directly ask him steps to reproduce it, then go reproduce it with the debugger, right? Eventually you will find the solution to, right? And if also ask him if there is any specific preferences that he had. For example, if you give a solution with data binding but that guy is against data binding, he wants to do it with view binding, right? So you have to ask him first. You can't just add new library to his project, otherwise he won't like that solution, right? So if you have these kind of questions, just ask him directly कि यार I'm planning, I've figured out the issue, right? I'm going to solve it like this. Should I proceed? And if he say yes or no, if he can tell you some more optimization, that will be great, right? Because now you guys are on the same page and it's 100% chance that he will accept your PR. So okay, yeah, go on. Hmm. Yeah, so actually that's the first thing you have to do. When you open a discussion in the issue now, if you are not getting a reply, move on to different one. Don't wait for them. And if you think that's a repository which you want to really contribute to, right? Reach out the developer on their social media accounts, right? If that guy is on Twitter, tweet him or just drop him a message कि यार I am trying to reach you out. I have dropped this thing. Is this repository active for taking this contribution? Right, ask them, because most of the time what happen ki developer has developed it, now he's not interested in maintaining it. So even if you want to contribute, that guy is not interested in merging it, so it's a waste of time. So you can create your own fork and continue the project, right? So that's your call in the end. Got it? Cool. Anybody else who have some doubts? Basically we will be dealing these kind of scenarios in the Sunday session, है ना? I will tell you more of the things that need to be taken care of before starting with the PR. Peter is here. Peter, did you got the scenario? I think you joined in between. Is there any doubt you have? Oh, Demios. I can't pronounce that. That's why I'm saying Peter. Yeah, I can hear you. Okay. Yeah, I'm recording this session. I will put it on YouTube. But mostly it was an introduction session, right? So here I just told them about the forms that need to they fill up. The main session, how to hunt for PR and create PR, create some solve the problem and get it merged and approved. That we'll be doing on Sunday because we need a buffer of 2 to 3 hours for that. Okay, so I will be putting on a poll. You can share your comfortable time slots in that. Cool. So anyone, any other question? Okay, guys. So I think it's 11 now. We can close this up if you guys don't have any other question. But mostly be active for the Sunday session, है ना? We will be doing things in detail. So that's where the real mentoring start. Okay, this was only the introduction kind of thing. Okay, take care, guys. Good night. Bye bye.